Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to shut down and restart your Huawei P50 Pro. In the old times it was pretty easy. You have your shutdown button at the side, here at the side, and we just press it and then we could just shut down our device. But it isn't so easy anymore, because at this moment not only Huawei but all other big providers of smartphones like Samsung, Apple and so on, they changed it, and now an assistant arrives and you can see, hello, I'm Celia, things you can ask me and so on. I don't want Celia to start, but it says here, hold down the power button for 1 second to wake me, and holding for 3 seconds will power off your device. So, oh, that's great. Okay, now we'll just put my finger here for 3 seconds, and then you can see I can just restart and power off my device. So that is pretty cool. But on the other hand, perhaps some people of you don't want to use Celia. So you can here directly go to the settings, and then you can change here this wake with power button. And if you just turn it off, and you can just press it here again for 3 seconds, and then you can power it off. This, what I don't like, is we have turned off Celia, but we still have to press the button for 3 seconds. Why doesn't it now works for 1 second? Well, okay, I don't understand it. But of course we can also do this via the settings. So we go to the settings, and if you are in your settings, you can go to the Huawei Assistant, and here you can go to Huawei Voice, and here you can see wake with power button is off. So again, we are here again, and I can just turn it on just like I want to have it. And you can also change the conversation language. Here you can see, okay, at this moment it's German, but I can also change it to English. And after changing languages, you need to set up voice wake up again. I say okay. So, and this is how you can just shut down your AI voice. And now I have turned it on again. But if you have it here, I just press it for 3 seconds and then it will also work. So you can just choose if you want to use AI voice as an assistant or not. But so or so, if you want to shut down and restart your device, then you just have to press the button 3 seconds and everything's fine. Yes, that was it. How to restart and power off your device, Huawei P50 Pro. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.